Houston. Here's my wide body E46, Nardo Gray. We're installing the 70mm turbo. We're installing a built 3-liter, and we're about to be pushing 500 wheel horsepower. Well. Freaking Vlad left the whole turbo manifold outside.
And that guy. No hablo español.
Hey, English for Spanish.
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that.
Gotta get in a familiar motion. Guys, stay tuned for part 2. We pulled out the 2.5. We're putting in the 3-liter. We're gonna paint the engine bay, and we'll catch you guys later.